Divisional Forest Office Jiribam na sinduna Malemgi honglok liba ay ngasagi kalbu ngaktuna thamnabagi pandamda makhal kayagi thabak thoramsing pangthokli. Tha asigi anidagi nipan phaw chathagadaba humbutra mathoi suba Wildlife Week celebration October anidagi Jiribam ge PWD Guest House ta Divisional Forest Officer na hawdokhi. Chayol palan thoram asigi mapung ba thimdi Human Animal Coexistence habani amasung masigi maruwa pandamdi lamlakki sa usek singbu ningthina ngak senduna thamnaba honabada miyam amadi thatra naharu singna ningthina khangminaba amadi bhap tahanbani hari amaramda division asimangna sinduna Nation First at the Rate 75 campaign gi manung channa let us come together to plant trees and nurture the greener tomorrow habagi pandamda additional deputy commissioner TS Manaranjan chingmana saruk yaduna chingnong lakai da leba deputy commissioner gi office ki complex ki akoibada uchara thabagi thoram amasu pangthokhi lamjanba hijam irabot ki chama kunapan suba mapo kumon thoram September 13 da Jananata Irabot Memorial Trust Jimet Jiribam sinduna makhal kaya gi thoram singalonena pangthokhi ayu angan beda jakarol sakpa Jimet ki lifetime president Dr. Shesh Kamalna luchingduna miyamna irabot ki mitamda laikatuna hawdokhi madugi matung tarakpada Moyangthem Ajay Singh ex senior officer 14 Manipur NCC unit na Parade Commander Oiduna Contingent Kunipan na March pa saruk yaduna Jiribam gi bauprada leiba irabot ki mitamda ikai khubna utkhi tungda Tiliba miyamna RK Sanatami Devi Vidyalaya gi hall da laktuna aphong mamifam amasu pangthokhi Miyoi chakayana saruk yaduna pangthokhiba thoramduda Asangam Biren ex MLA 40 Jiribam Assembly Constituency amadi Dr. CS Kamal lifetime president Jimet na mathang sina athoiba mithunglen amasung mifam mapu ena saruk yakhi loinana Saikhom Komlakanta social activist Assam Kangabam Santi Kumar chairman Manipuri Autonomous Council Demand Coordination Committee Assam Semi Ramror superintendent of police na chingmana mithunglen sing oina saruk yakhi Thauram maduda lamjan hijam irabot ki maramda wangang loisingna wafom kaya thamnakhi amadi pangthokhiba march past competition adugi mana mathum su janthokhi Thauram maduda akhanaba mithunglen ona saruk yakhiba district asigi deputy commissioner Krishna Kumar na tilliba miyamda asumna phongdokhi
He has played very important role. That's what his name was written in history with the golden letters. He is the one who has given some thought-provoking ideas for each and everyone. He is the one who has inspired all of us to work for the welfare of each and everyone and also to work together as a team. As we know that when we work together as a team, only then we can ensure success in any direction, in any field, in any sector. So before I move ahead, I would pay my tribute and homage with highest respect and regards.
Tasena lamjanba irabot hiram khudingda luchingba oibiramba khunai asibu awangma thakta pukhatnaba honnabiramba lamjanba amani mahaki mapok kumonna lakpada irabot na pamjaramba wakhalon chingdu ngasigi mirolna mamut tana thidokminaduna khangnanaba honnaminarabadi jati kayana khundaba Jiribam nongmadi soidna mai pakpa district ama oiba ngamgani haijaningi